Windows 11 version 24H2 has been announced as this year's annual feature update following the recent release of 23H2. Scheduled for the second half of the calendar year, the release date is yet to be confirmed. The upcoming update is expected to introduce new features with a particular focus on advancements in AI technology. These improvements focus on enhancing the user experience with many new features, including enhancements to system performance, usability, and security. Let's look at the new features and see how you can get a beforehand look at 24H2 with the Windows Insiders program. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech insights and updates. Number 1. New installation experience. Windows 11 version 24H2 picks up the installation experience of Windows Server 2025 with the newly designed install wizard changes that we get with the latest Server vNext preview. This is a nice change as we have had the previous Windows Client Operating System installation screens for several Windows versions now. With a winver command we can see the version information. Number 2. Sudo command. One of the exciting new features coming to Windows 11 24H2 is the new sudo command for Windows. If you just try to run the sudo command from the command line, you will see the message that it will need to be enabled in the developer settings. Under Settings, System, for developers, you will see the option for Enable Sudo. Flip the toggle on and confirm on the settings page. You also have the option to configure how sudo runs applications. Number 3. New Copilot AI features. Microsoft is testing an enhanced Copilot feature, Copilot button, and Copilot UI in the latest Windows 11 Insider release aimed at improving user productivity. This feature activates when text is copied or an image is dragged onto the Copilot icon, offering actions like summarizing text or handling image content directly from the taskbar. Additionally, Microsoft is reintroducing an automatic launch of Copilot upon system startup for widescreen devices among select Windows Insiders, applicable to devices with a screen size of at least 27 inches and a resolution width of 1920 pixels, limited to the primary display and multi-monitor setups. These updates are part of Microsoft's exploratory features within the Windows Insider program aimed at integrating innovative functionalities to enhance the Windows user experience. Number 4. Enhanced Energy Saver Mode. Windows 11 24H2 has a new Energy Saver icon that helps optimizes power consumption by extending battery life for laptops, battery saver, and reducing energy costs for desktops. The Energy Saver icon in the Quick Settings panel allows you to easily activate the power-saving mode for a greener computing experience on a desktop PC or a laptop. You might want to give a thumbs up and subscribe after this energy-saving tip, so you know what to do. Number 5. Revamped Settings app. With every new release, Microsoft continues revamping the Settings app to upgrade the experience from the old control panel experience from previous generations of Windows client operating systems. The new Settings app is becoming easier to navigate and you can find most anything you want to configure or customize here. You can browse settings, adjust system preferences, and manage devices. Number 6. File Explorer enhancements. The updated File Explorer introduces a more user-friendly interface and improved functionality. Enhancements include quicker access to frequently used files, a more efficient search feature, and better integration with cloud storage services, making file management more intuitive. Number 7. Security enhancements. Windows 11 24H2 strengthens system security with features like Windows Protected Print Mode and elevated process for commands under Bluetooth devices.